We'll guide you through how to download and install Armoury Crate. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This app is great for managing the different features and functions on your computer, so we'll guide you through the steps in order to do this. To get started, open a web browser on your computer. In this case, I use Chrome, you can use Edge, doesn't matter. Now, what you need to do is go and type in Armoury Crate like so. Make sure we go to the site armoury-crate.com. Here we are. So what we can then do is I'll press consent here and we'll go and press download. Now you go and see the different options here. What you want is Armoury Crate. So we'll go and get this one here, Armoury Crate and Aura Creator Installer, and it's now downloaded. You can close it out of your web browser, we finished with it. Next, you want to go and open up your file explorer. You can click that at the bottom of your computer. Go to the left and press downloads and then select the zip. And you want to go and press extract all and press extract. Now wait and it'll open up the folder. Come into the folder here and then you can double click on the installer. You'll get a Windows Security pop-up. Now we'll go and start installing. In this case, I won't get the Aura Creator, I just want Armoury Crate. Then what you can do is press start and wait. It's finished, this will open up. You'll need to read and agree to this and agree you're over 16, which I am. Now what you can do is go and choose what you want here and press next. Then you can choose the theme and you can go and press start using. It may need to go and do another install, just be patient. Press reboot system and your computer will restart, and then you can start using Armoury Crate. Leave a like if you found this useful.